2010 Dodge Caravan. Starts once but doesn't start after. Check if it could be your fuse box, because there's a relay for the fuel pump, but in this case it wasn't this one. It wasn't none of that to do with the fuse or the gas. It was a coolant thermostat. It was internally rotten. Check this out. Here is the old thermostat, a plastic piece, and part in there was corroded, as you can see, and the wire across of it was corroded too. So start once and not start back after like a day or two, and yeah, that's the issue right there. Thermostat sensor.